Hi guys, come back in my video. This is my sister, this is me, and we are the R squad. I mean we only have two members, but that's it. So I'm gonna make some. Okay guys, let me tell you this. When I do makeup, after I'm done using foundation, I really use some blush. But when I use some blush, I want to combine it with foundation. If you don't believe, I'll do it.
We already started and already did foundation and blush.
Because we did this, but the first video that we made did
It's
not.
after.
Yeah, it didn't capture it.
Len!
Ah!
I-complete ako.
Yan.
I'm so sorry guys. We are half American, half South Korean, half Filipino.
And yeah. Guys, I'm so sorry. What face did I make, bro? I was just shocked. Because guys, I don't know, but when someone,
Disturbs us.
guys, I got trauma by shock. Because in my school, every day, I mean not every day, but most. Okay, let me explain it to you later when I'm done mixing. Because I get so shocked easily. That's why I made that ugly face.
Ah! Every time a video, someone disturbs us. Next, let me move on to the. Where is the concealer?
The concealer? Oh no. Mama borrowed it.
Mama, we're just gonna do this as a concealer because our concealer is gone.
Mama just borrowed it. Don't be OA.
O-N-A? O-A. Do this, buddy.
Guys, we want to get a free
Robux? Or box? Yes, or box.
guys, we want to get free fruits in Goa Garden. We're giving away. Just comment your
Big Bone
username
Blossom and Dragon Fruit.
and accept my friend request, and then you will receive some random fruits. But OP fruits, okay? Not just some normal fruits.
Oh, the sun fruit. Sun fruit.
Mm.
Or even the dragon pepper or something else.
And guys, who wants to trade with me? My golden goose. Who wants to trade? But I only accept OP. It's Uni, DF, or I don't know.
Or
OP.
raccoons. I just use lip balms instead
I
of
use
lipstick.
this. Look,
I use this.
just press this button. Then it lowers it to that way. So yeah, if I, what the heck? Okay, so if I press this upper button, it releases it.
Yeah.
No? It
Then
smells so good. Look at
Now
it's in the shade
umbrella.
it's in the shade wine red.
Umbrella. It's so cute. This is so. I think this is expired, though.
No, that's not, that's new.
Oh yeah.
I bought a new one. Every item here We bought it with our own money.
This is from 1 month and this is already so dirty. But here is Carmen.
We bought it from Manila. Because we are staying here in the Philippines. So, alam ko mag-Tagalog, di.
So, pupunta kami sa Amerika next year.
Yeah. Hindi mag-stay kami kasi like mga 1 month na kami dito. 1 month na kami. Eto, ang ganda na ito eh. Anong i-spread ka dyan?
Kapag
Nasira lang.
pag itong video stop ay part 2 na lang.
Guys, kasi medyo nasisira na itong gamit namin gadget.
Eh, pupunta pa kami sa Amerika. Bibili.
So guys, pwede sa inyo itong ginagamit naming foundation. Ito ay BB
Kunin
cream.
mo nga yung
Blemish
ganyan. Yung pangkilay.
Wala na. Iniram kasi ni mama eh. So, ang ganda. It's in the shade. Ano ba ang shade niya? Oh, natural. Ano siya guys? Oh. Hindi siya pump. Hindi, ganito siya.
Gusto namin yung kanin. Hindi namin gusto yung pang.
Ito pang blush lang namin. Kaya ito yung pinaka-favorite namin.
Alamin pa namin mag-Bisaya at Korea at
Okay, let me speak South Korean. 안녕하세요. 주넨